Now we are evaluating expressions when x is 10, when y is -2, and when z is -5. So I don't want you to get crazy with this, but in theory, we could just go through here and be like, okay, that's an x, that's going to be 10. There's an x, that's going to be 10. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, everywhere you see an x, it's going to change into a 10. And the same thing with y and z. Okay, so here we go. I'm not going to try and color code them all. You know what? Whatever. Here we go. -10 divided by -2. Same signs. Negative divided by negative. It's 5. And 16. We have 12 divided by 3y. Well, that 3... I'm going to try and keep everything original in, like, purple, right? So anyway, and then y is, let's see, that's -2. So what exactly is going on here with these two? Do you know? They are multiplying each other. This is like saying I have 3 y's, and when you have 3 of something, you multiply, okay? So 12 divided by -6. And 12 divided by -6 equals -2. Now, I don't want to worry you like, yes, we did go left to right with our multiplying and dividing, except the idea is they gave us parentheses right here, and you do the parentheses first, okay? Had we just had, let me zoom out and said, if we just had this 12, that's an ugly divided by, if we had 12 divided by 3 times -2, this would have been 4 times -2, and we would have gotten -8. So the communication matters, okay? The fact that we have the parentheses there tells us the order we should do this stuff. Okay. 2 times -5 over -2. Well, we're going to do this up top because really, as this guy's on the bottom, he's simplified. There's nothing going on with him. So 2 times -5 is -10. And if we divide that by -2, we get +5. All right, let's see. All right. Okay, I started mixing up some colors here, so I had to double check what my x was. X is 10, so we're going to have -10 plus -2 all over 6. All right. So up top here, all we have is addition and subtraction. This is adding a negative, so that's like subtracting. If I'm going to give you 2 insults, you are going to overall feel negative, right? So -10 minus 2 is -12. And then we can divide that by 6 to get -2. 100 divided by, let's see, z is -5. So -5. I'm going to put that, and then there's a negative in front of it. There's a 2 right there. There is a parentheses here divided by 100. So one thing I want to clear up is this is squaring the z, and this is z right here, okay? So we have to follow the order of operations. We have to follow that we are going to do, well, hang on, we're going to go into parentheses. Well, there's like 2 sets of parentheses here. There's this one, and then we're going to go inside of that one. Okay, well, so inside of this set of parentheses, we're going to do the exponent first. So we have 100 divided by parentheses negative, and then this is -5 times -5, okay? 100 divided by negative, and -5 times -5 is +25. Again, I'm using colors to kind of communicate the specific steps. Now 100 divided by negative 25 is negative 4. Let's see, y is 10 times negative 2 squared all over negative 5. All right. So we're going to get 10 times 4. Maybe I should make this yellow. 4 over negative 5. 10 times 4 is 40. Divide that by negative 5. Come on. Come on. There we go. We get negative 8. We got 2 more. X is 10. So we have absolute value of 10 times negative 5 all over negative 2. Okay. So our first one with absolute value on this whole thing, I think. Yeah? Yeah, okay. So here we go. The absolute value is going to be done last. The absolute value is going to be done last, okay? We need to simplify everything inside of it first. So, 10 times negative 5 is negative 50. Over, check this out, a negative is positive. If I'm going to remove negativity, then I'm going to be adding 2, okay? Need my absolute value bars, but I'm not done with them, right? So now I'm going to divide negative 50 by 2, and I get negative 25. Absolute value bars are out there. My final answer is 25. Last one, 22. We have negative, and then we do parentheses because that's what our x is. 10 squared. Okay, I kind of got lost there for a second. Plus 6 times negative 5 all over negative 2. All right. Parentheses, exponents. Negative 100 plus 6 times negative 5 all over negative 2. If you need to pause, because I've kind of shifted that off the screen, pause, go for it. Negative 100 minus 30. Positive 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. All over negative 2. On top, we can simplify that to be... I was about to say, we have more to do. That's the next page. Just kidding. Negative 130 over negative 2. This is positive 65. Okay, we've done the entire front page. By my calculations, that took about 20 minutes for 22 problems. All right, let me know what questions you got. I'll see you over here.